In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a rear-facing Britax G3 or G4 convertible seat. First thing you want to do is start off with it reclined. Squeeze the gray or red lever at the bottom of the seat and recline it all the way. Next, you want to make sure your latch straps are all the way loosened. This one is, as is this one. If it was not, then the first thing I need to do is loosen it up. So let's pretend it's tight. Squeeze on the silver button and you want to pull upwards on this strap. You'll know it's all the way loose when the loop is next to the silver button. Next, you need to find the lower anchors in your vehicle and connect the car seat. Make sure the strap is straight and that the connector looks like a stapler, wider up top, narrower on bottom. Connect both sides. You can move the seat out of your way as you're doing it. And then the one thing you want to be careful of is don't just lift the seat and set it down. You'll see I'm sitting on top of all of my lower anchor hardware. Rather, I want to take the two loops here, or one at a time, and pull the seat so that it gets close to the vehicle seat back, but that the car seat is not sitting on it top of any of the lower anchor connector hardware. Now, you can see that there's a hole in the seat here. I'm going to take each loop through its hole. And then if I can fit behind it, great. I'm going to take one loop and I'm going to lean towards that side and pull. Then I'm going to take the other loop, lean towards its side and pull. Usually I'll repeat each side once. If you can't fit from behind, that's okay. You can do it from the side. Put one hand deep where the child's bottom is. Take one strap, lean and pull to that side while you're pushing down, and repeat on the other side, and keep going back and forth until it's tight. You can take these loops and pull them out of the way. Now it's time to check if the seat is tight. Hold the seat near where the connectors are, pull towards and away from you. It should move less than an inch. You can see it wasn't even moving at all.